Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to change name in Facebook without last name. To change it, first of all, what you need to do is open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and go through the setting and privacy and hit on the settings. Now, click on the See More in Account Center and go through your profiles. From here, choose Facebook and hit on the name. From here, change the first name and on the last name, just keep space and then hit on the review change. But you need to know that you can only change your name after 30 days you have changed recently. So in this way you can change name in Facebook without last name. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.